A simple logo design on Fiverr can bring in around $10 to $50 per order, while more specialized gigs like YouTube thumbnails or short-form video editing often land higher repeat clients because creators need them every week. By the end of this, you'll know 5 Fiverr gig ideas that actually get consistent orders in 2026, and what makes each one easier to sell than random freelance services. First up is YouTube thumbnail design. Creators don't buy art, they buy clicks. A thumbnail that improves click-through rate even slightly is worth real money to them. So they keep ordering once they find a designer who understands their style. To start, you can use Canva or Photoshop, pick 2-3 niches like gaming or finance, and build sample thumbnails that look like real YouTube uploads. Second is short-form video editing for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This works because creators are posting daily and don't have time to edit everything themselves. You're basically cutting clips, adding captions, and syncing audio. Your first step is to create 3 sample edits using free clips so buyers can see your pacing and caption style before they even message you. Third is resume and cover letter rewriting. People use Fiverr for this when they're applying fast and don't want to spend hours formatting. The key is not just rewriting text, but making it ads-friendly, so it passes automated job filters. You can start by offering simple resume cleanup and then upgrade into full career packages once you get reviews. Fourth is AI voiceover cleanup and editing. A lot of creators use AI-generated voice tracks, but they sound robotic or uneven. You can fix pacing, remove noise, and make it sound more natural using tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition. Your first gig should clearly show before and after audio clips so buyers can hear the difference instantly. Fifth is social media post design for small businesses. Local businesses need Instagram posts, promos, and announcements but don't have designers on staff. This sells well when you offer simple template-based designs instead of fully custom work, because it's faster and easier to deliver. To wrap this up, the gigs that sell fastest on Fiverr usually solve repetitive problems, show clear visual proof, and don't require long explanations. Pick one niche, build 3-5 strong samples, and publish your first gig instead of waiting to perfect everything. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of online income ideas that actually make sense.